Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to prepare healthy granola at home, and I'll show you how to enjoy it. So I'm starting up with normal oats, the oat we use for breakfast. I'm going to be making use of 3 cups of it. Then next, I'm going to be adding grated coconut. Our normal coconuts now, I are just grated. Next, I'm adding 3 different nuts. I'm going to list them in the comment section. Then I added sunflower oil and honey on it. So after adding all these ingredients, I'm going to mix them up together nicely. This granola recipe I'm showing you is far more better than the ones you buy in the shop. One good thing about homemade food is that you get to do it your own way, your style. So if you are that type that love eating homemade food, try this recipe. I bet you will never stop preparing it at home. So guys, as you can see, I'm mixing it up nicely. I'll mix it until the mixture comes together. Then next, I'm going to put them in the baking tray and then bake them in the oven. For those of you that is trying to lose weight, having this in the morning can keep you fuller for a longer time. So if you are trying to lose weight and you don't want to be missing your morning breakfast, you can have this in the morning and it's going to sustain you until when you are going to have your lunch. So guys, I'm going to put them in the baking tray, spread it around, and then bake them in the oven. Now, I don't know the minutes, how many minutes I bake this in the oven. What I did was that time to time, I keep checking it until it becomes golden brown. So I'm just going to put it in the oven and let it bake. And then that is it. Look at how it looks. Very nice. Compare it with the ones you buy in the shop. It's totally different. Next, I'm going to be showing you how to prepare this for breakfast. You can enjoy this with fat-free yogurt. So I'm just adding it on top of it. And then I'm going to be adding my cane seed. Cane seed is very healthy and it's just optional. And then I'm going to add my banana and strawberry on it. It's optional as well. You can also enjoy this with milk, warm milk, and then add it on top. And then you can also enjoy this by just eating it on its own. Drink water, you are good to go. So this is very, very healthy. For those of you that wants to lose weight, this will help you reduce the way you eat, because the little you eat will keep you fuller for a longer time. All right guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it. Please comment and share. See you all on my next one. Bye.
The Pope takes a poop and the president too.